What a really nice, beautiful, quiet morning. Oh my god, this is like peaceful heaven. Guy's actually fishing in a good spot because there was a lot of trout jumping there last night. Yeah. Alright, it's a bit rainy, a bit chilly, but that's okay. Last night the rain kind of kept me up for a while. It was tingling off the roof. It almost sounded like the van roof was leaking, but it was just the way it was tinging. We're on a forestry road actually, and for a forestry road this one's pretty smooth. I've seen some that are very bumpy, very rocky, but just going around the lake that we camped at last night, White Lake, which I think this is appropriately named White Lake Road. This dude has a very interesting camper setup. It's a homemade wooden box. Interesting. So before we show you where we are, gonna have a quick bite to eat, and then we'll do some more hiking. Yeah. Alright, boys and girls, where are we? And what are we gonna do? No, we're not gonna mountain bike. We are going to check out a hiking trail this morning. Yeah, we're gonna check out another White Lake trail. So that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, it's supposed to overlook White Lake. Anyway, how about that, eh? This mountain bike park looks pretty cool, but definitely not used quite, because there's a lot of overgrowth on it. So yeah, okay. Sign, sign, everywhere a sign. Do this, don't do that. Can't you read this sign? That's the one. White Lake Lookout. This guy is pretty cool. Check him out. He feels like velvet. Wow. It's like a velvet tongue. Very, very nifty. Even the underside is velvety. I'm assuming to absorb moisture. This is definitely not on the trail. I'm a little confused because the markings on this trail are not very good, but that is the coolest tree. It's gonna eventually fall off because it's on a rock ledge, and eventually it's gonna break. So, and I'm not walking up this to check any closer. Okay. Yeah, I have no idea where I am. The trail just suddenly, abruptly stopped. No markers, no visible evidence of a path. It ended up into a forestry open logging area where they were, I think they're cutting down infected trees back over that way. And because you'll see a lot of trees are marked to keep, and the ones to cut down are marked in blue. So some kind of bug infestation. And that's where the trail ends. So I think we'll cancel this trip and go on to the other one that I wanted to. Simmikin or something. So, whew, yeah. I've dressed lighter today. That helps. Okay. Tally-ho. Well, I found the forestry road anyway, so I think we'll just go back to the trailhead. And yeah, that's it for this one. Yeah, just kind of cruising. Wow. The clouds look so cool up there on the top of that mountain. Oh, this is a pretty neat little area. some amazing houses here, and a nice beach overlooking that rock face. Straight down into the lake plop. Yeah, very cool though. Oh, they got a nice little parking point. So the road winds along the lake like this, right up against it, and I definitely don't think I would like to veer off, because you be in the lake. So yeah, we got about 10 miles of this. Very, very cool, actually. Oh wow, I'm at a different parking lot in a different lake, and the guy with the homemade Ford is following me. Haha, that's funny. I guess he's camping in this. Hike number 2 today to Margaret Falls is much better marked. Oh my god. Wow. Very pretty. Holy shit. Holy sheep shit. Wow. It's a little one. I guess it goes up to a bigger one. Ooh, that tree had its final days, eh? But wow. Yes, another bridge. Wow, nice. What I really like is that we're walking in the undercuts here. Holy, woo! Yeah. Like, holy shit. Like, all that rock could drop on us at any moment, because we're like over it. Holy sheesh. That's pretty crazy, man. Huh. An absolutely fabulous little trail. How about this, eh? The beauty of BC. Oh my goodness. Huh. It's pretty cool what they did here. They notched the log that fell to help the overflow water so it doesn't back up. This is a tree route. Wow, it's hard to believe, but it's one hell of a route there they got. And I think it's from that tree, I'm not sure. Yeah, it comes from that tree. Huh. Okay, enough yapping. Keep on keeping on. Wow. And my usual video shot footage of walking up the bridge. Oh, they have some stuff blocked off here. Oh yeah, look at this. Jackpot. Holy shit. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wow. How the hell? Oh, ho, ho. Fantastic. Wow. Check this out. Man. Damn, now I gotta pee. Just kidding. Wow. And I guess they're trying to keep people from climbing up that way. Huh. Yeah, I have to say this is a pretty neat little deal here. It's only a 30-minute hike. It's very short, but you know what? Yeah. Super fantastic. Oh my goodness. The other way just goes down the back where I came. Yeah, it's pretty incredible the size of these trees and how they fall over. Wow. Should take a walk up it. Think we can do it? Yeah, probably not, eh? Yeah, I don't think so. Not a go.